We'll continue with the problems of exercise 14.1 children. The problems that we were doing is of arithmetic mean. Okay. Question number 3. The mean pocket allowance is rupees 18. Find the missing frequency f. So there is a table given. Now in that table, mean is given 18. There is a frequency which is not given. So you need to find the missing frequency f. So let's start doing the problem. This is the table. You can see class interval 11 to 13, frequency is 7. 13 to 15, frequency is 6. 15 to 17, frequency is 9. 17 to 19, frequency is 13. 19 to 21, it is given f. The number is not given. That you need to find. 21 to 23, it is 5. 23 to 25, it is 4. So we need to find f when x bar is given as 18. So we will start doing the problem. We will find the values of xi. What was xi? Xi means the mid value or the class mark. How will we find that? Using which formula? Upper limit plus lower limit by 2. 11 plus 13, 26 by 2, which is equal to, 11 plus 13, 24 by 2, which is equal to 12. This will be 14, 16, 18, 20, 22 and 24 will be the mid values. And what will be the next column? It will be XIFI. Multiply 7 and 12. 7 into 12 will be 84. 6 into 14, 84. 9 into 16, 144. 13 into 18, 234. F into 20, 20F. 5 into 22, 110. 24 into 4, 96. Then, what was the formula to find arithmetic mean? X bar is equal to sigma xi fi by sigma fi. We should know the total frequency and we should know the total xi fi. So to find the total frequency, 7 plus 6 plus 9 plus 13 plus f plus 5 plus 4. So we need to add all the numbers. When you add all the numbers, you will get it 44 plus f. So that will be the total frequency. Likewise, when you add all the xi fis, what will you get? You will get the answer as let me just erase it. You will get it as 752 plus 20f. Now we will find the x bar. Sigma xi fi 752 plus 20f by 44 plus f. And what was x bar given in the question? That was 18. So 18 is equal to 752 plus 20f by 44 plus f. Cross multiply 18 into 44 plus f is equal to 752 plus 20f. Then using distributive property, open the bracket and find the value of f. 792 plus 18f is equal to 752 plus 20f. Bring all the variable terms to one side. So you will get 40 is equal to 2f. Therefore, f will be 40 by 2, which is equal to 20. So the missing frequency f is equal to 20. I hope you understood the question. Our usual method itself, the only difference here is we don't get the total frequency as a single number. Here we got 44 plus f. Here we got 752 plus 20f. Substitute in the formula, cross multiply, simplify, and you will get the answer. Please do it by yourself. Calculations and all, do it in the working column. Next problem. Find the mean number of mangoes. The number of mangoes 50 to 52, 53 to 55, 56 to 58. Number of boxes 15, 110, 135, 115 and 25. Children, please look into the problem here. Class interval 50 to 52. What is the next number here? 53 to 55. That is not 52 to 55, it is 53. There is a gap there. That means the class intervals are not continuous. It is always better you make the class intervals continuous and then do the problem. How to make the class intervals continuous? 50 to 52 is our first class interval. We need to subtract 0.5 from the lower limit and we need to add 0.5 to the upper limit. To make the class intervals continuous, what should we do? We should subtract 0.5 from the lower limit and add 0.5 to the upper limit. Now we can do the problem. So our new set of class intervals, when we subtract 0.5 from 50, what do we get? 49.5. And when we add 0.5 to 52, what will we get? 52.5. Second class interval, what was the second class interval? 53 to 55. When we subtract 0.5 from 53, we will get 52.5, and then if we add to the next one, we will get 55.5. Children, now you see here 52.5 here, 52.5 here. So now it is continuous. So write down the next class interval also, 55.5 to 58.5, 58.5 to 61.5, 61.5 to 64.5. So this will be the new class interval and the frequencies will be 15, 110, 135, 115, 25. Now we need to find the xi, the middle value of the class interval. We get it as 51, 54, 57, 60 and 63. If the values are big, if the xi's are big, you can use the assumed mean method. 57 will be A. So di will be 51 minus 57 minus 6 minus 3, 0, 3 and 6. Fi di. I need to multiply all my frequencies and the di's. 15 into negative 6. What will be 15 into negative 6? Negative 90, negative 330, 0. 115 into 3. What will be 115 into 3? It will be 345. And 25 into 6 will be 150. Add all your FIDIs. There are negative numbers, there are positive numbers, and you will get the total of 75 here, and total sigma Fi will be 400. Now we can find arithmetic mean. What will be the formula? A plus sigma Fi di by sigma Fi. What was our A? 57 plus 75 by 400. You can simplify and then you will get the answer as 57.185 approximately equal to 57.19, corrected 2 decimal places. Okay. So, in the first question in this video, we did a problem with a missing frequency. In the second problem, the class intervals were not continuous. We should make it continuous. How will we make it continuous? By subtracting 0.5 from the lower limit and by adding 0.5 to the upper limit.